Hey there, fellow business enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about success, growth, and building rock-solid relationships. Today, we've got something extra special for you, a comprehensive guide on the best practices for supplier onboarding. In this fast-paced, competitive world, partnering with your suppliers is the secret sauce to taking your business to new heights. So, we've put together this ultimate resource that's going to set you up for success right from the start. Get ready, my friends, because we're diving deep into the importance of effective supplier onboarding and sharing actionable steps that'll help you create efficient and lasting collaborations with your partners. We've got your back. Now, the first step to supplier onboarding success is all about setting those clear expectations, my friends. It's like having a roadmap for your partnership, you gotta know where you're headed, right? But wait, there's more. We're bringing you the lowdown on developing a comprehensive supplier evaluation process. It's all about making informed decisions and keeping those high-quality partnerships alive and kicking. Hold on tight, because we're not stopping there. We're going to show you the power of offering training and support to your new suppliers. It's like giving them a superhero cape to excel in their partnership with you. And here's a little secret to building trust: open communication. We're talking regular check-ins, prompt issue resolution, and constructive feedback sharing. It's like the secret sauce that brings everything together. Oh, you're gonna love this part: leveraging technology for efficient supplier management. We've got all these amazing tools that'll streamline your onboarding process and keep your supplier relationships running like a well-oiled machine. But wait, there's more. We can't forget about the importance of continuous improvement. It's like taking your supplier relationships to the next level, scheduling performance reviews, feedback sessions, and collaborative initiatives. Let's keep that growth and innovation going. And there you have it, folks. By implementing these strategies, setting clear expectations, developing a thorough evaluation process, providing training and support, fostering open communication, leveraging technology, and embracing continuous improvement, you'll be on your way to building exceptional supplier relationships. Alright, my friends, it's time to take action. Armed with these best practices for supplier onboarding, go forth and cultivate those thriving partnerships that'll make your business soar. Here's to your success in building and maintaining exceptional supplier relationships.